Hey everyone, want to upload files to your server using FileZilla? In this video, I'll show you how to upload files step by step. Yeah, whether you're publishing a website, transferring documents, or moving files to a remote server, this guide will help you complete the process easily. First, open FileZilla on your computer and connect to your FTP server. Enter your host, username, password, and port details, then click Quick Connect. Make sure your connection is successful before starting the upload process. Once connected, you'll see your computer files on the left side under Local Site and your server files on the right side under Remote Site. This layout makes it simple to move files between locations. Next, open the folder on your computer that contains the files you want to upload. Browse through your local folders and select the file or folder you need to transfer. Then, choose the destination folder on your server from the Remote Site section. Make sure you're uploading the files to the correct location, especially when working with website files. Now, drag the selected files from the Local Site panel to the Remote Site panel. FileZilla will begin uploading the files automatically, and you can monitor the progress in the transfer queue at the bottom. Wait until the transfer is complete and check the status messages to confirm that the upload was successful. Keeping an eye on the transfer queue helps you catch any upload errors. If an upload fails, check your internet connection, server permissions, and available storage space on the server. You can also try uploading the file again. For faster future uploads, save your server connection details in FileZilla's Site Manager, so you can quickly reconnect and manage your files without entering the information every time. And that's how you upload files using FileZilla. With these simple steps, you can easily transfer files from your computer to your server whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.